Good day, everyone. I am Vian Doris, studying Bachelor of Science in Industrial Engineering from Batangas State University. Today, I am going to share with you a tutorial of our second computer-aided design activity. So, on the screen, you will see the 6 figures that we are going to accomplish for this video. So, let's start from the first figure. For our first figure, we're going to click circle. And then we're going, based on my advanced measurement, we're going to use a radius of 20. Just enter it. And then we're going to find the center of the circle, which is this. Click it and put a line going down with a length of 50. So we're just going to type 50 on a 90-degree angle. Just click 50, enter. And then we're going to find the midpoint of this circle. And then we're going to find the midpoint of this line. So since we made it 50, we're just going to type 25 because it is the half of 50. And then a line going to the left, which is 30. And then we're going to meet it on the center. And then after that, we're going to click line again from the center going to the left to find the left center of the circle. So we're just going to put 20 because it is our radius. And then connect this point going to this point and just press escape. Since we don't need this line, we're just going to click trim and then remove this line. Just click the line that you want to erase and then automatically it will disappear. After that, click line again, and then from this point we are going to make a line going to the right with a length of 40. Just click 40, press escape, and then another line. We're going to find the center of the right side of the circle. So again, we will just make a line going to the right and then enter our radius, which is 20. Then connect this point going to the other point of the line. So from here going to here. Then press escape. And for our last line, we're just going to click line again, and then from here we're just going to make a line going down. Since our center line and this line that we are making are parallel, we are going to make a same length. We're going to make them the same length. So we're just going to enter 50. Then press escape. And then we're going to get rid of this line because it is not included in our figure. So just press trim again and then press the line and then press escape. And there is our first figure.
For our second figure, we're going to select Polygon and then make it a 6-sided polygon because we're going to base it on our figure. Select Inscribe in Circle, and we will make this figure pointed at the top because it is adjusted in our guide figure. After that, we're going to click line and connect all the edges of the polygon from horizontal, vertical, and diagonal. And then we're going to click the circle. I'm going to place a circle on the upper intersection with a radius of 24.25. After that, I'm going to click the circle and click polar array. When we click polar array, I'm just going to select the center which will be the center of all the circles that will be made. And then as you can see, we have here 6 circles, but we can change that and make it into 3 like as we needed. Just enter 3 on the items, and then as you can see in the figure, we have already 3. And then we're just going to click trim and remove all the unnecessary lines. And here we have our second figure.
For our third figure, we're going to make a polygon, 8-sided polygon, octagon, and then place it right here, inscribed in circle, and after that, we are going to connect all of the points. The center, horizontal, diagonals, and then we're going to make a square. We're going to start at this point and then end the square on the diagonal side. Click and then press escape. After that, we're going to make a diamond using lines. So we're just going to click line, and then from this to this point, up to this point, to this point, and this point. After that, click the line again and connect this point on this intersection, 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 center, intersection, center, intersection, and center, intersection. From here, oh, we missed another. From this figure, we are now able to produce our third figure by using the trim settings. So we're just going to click trim and then erase all of the unnecessary lines. So we're going to erase this one. And after that, it is done. So here is our third figure. For our fourth figure, we're going to make a circle with a radius of 50, and then click the circle and offset. Find the center and just enter 5. So this 5 is the distance of our first circle and our second circle. And we should be able to identify the center, the 45 degrees, the 90 degrees, the 180 degrees of the circle. So we're going to make a line, find the center of the circle. 0 degrees, so we're going to have an extension line, 0 degrees of 50, another 0 degrees of 50, and then line going down, will be 90 degree, 50, and then another 90 degree, 50. After that, we're going to make a diagonal lines. So click lines, and from the midpoint or the center of the circle, we are going to have a 45 degree angle of a 65 length, because we are going to use the extension length for the small circles later. So we're going to enter 65 at a 45 degree angle on all the diagonal sides. So from here, should have 45 degrees of 65, and 35 of 65, and 135 of 65. Okay, and then we're going to make a circle. So from the extension lines, we're going to place the center of the small circles on those endpoints. So click that, and then we're going to have a circle with a radius of 20 on all of the sides. After that, we're going to select circle offset, and just like the distance of the offset of the big circle, we're going to enter 5. Sorry. And then the circle offset center 5, and then offset, then click the circle offset, then 5, and then click the circle and 5. After that, we are going to trim all the unnecessary lines. So we're going to trim this. So now that we have removed all our unnecessary lines, we are now going to make this into our figure. So again, we'll just need the trim tool. Just click trim, and then just delete all the lines that are not included in the figure. So you just have to look on your guide for you to be able to execute it properly. So we're going to delete this line. So here is the finished product of our fourth figure. So for our fifth figure, we're Going to start with the square. So we're just going to make it 150 by 150. After making this square, we're going to click the square and then click hatch. After clicking the hatch creation menu will appear. So we're just going to look for bricks right here. Double click bricks and then just click. When the bricks appear, just click it. After that, press escape and then in the figure, the bricks is tilted diagonally. So we're just going to click this and then angle here. We're going to make 135-degree angle. Just press enter. And after that, our bricks is already like our figure. For our last figure, we're going to start with a circle with a radius of 25. After that, we're going to offset this 4 times. So here, offset this by 5. And then click this again. 5, 5, 5. After that, we're going to divide the circle into half. So we're going to divide this by, have this by 25 and then 25. Then we are going to get rid of the half of the circle because we only need the half. So we click the trim tool and then highlight this and click. We're also going to remove these lines. After that, we are going to have a line here having a 90-degree angle with 50 length, and then another line right here from this point to this point, and another right here 50, 90 degrees, and then just let these lines meet and press escape. After that, we're going to locate the midpoint of this line. So we have the midpoint right here. Connect the two midpoints and then we are going to create the circle again. So this is the purpose of our initial rectangle. We are going to put the circle right here with a radius of 25, and then just like our first one, we're going to offset it 4 times with the distance of 5. So click the center and then 5, then click again 5, click again 5, and 5 again. Like our first, like our initial figure, we are going to trim the unnecessary lines that we don't need. We're going to trim this and this. After that, we're just going to connect this point to this point. So we're going to have 25. And then just continue 25, 5, and last 25. After that, you're going to trim again on the unnecessary lines, like right here, here, here. After that, we are now going to connect these lines. So we have here 50, another 50 again, another line of 50, and last 50. Then trim again. After that, we are going to make this the after that we are going to repeat what we did right here. So we're going to have this line, and this line, and going to have this 50, connect the degree angle, connect this here. Then you're going to find the midpoint. So the midpoint is right here. After that, add a circle of 25 radius. Offset this 4 times with a distance of 5. And then again, trim the unnecessary lines that we don't need. After that, we're just going to extend this line by 25. Then this line by 25. This line by 25. We will repeat the process right here. 25. You just have to make sure that every line that we put right here is a straight line. And for the last part, we are going to recreate what we did also right here. We are going to make a circle. We're going to skip the making of the rectangle because we have a rectangle right here. So we're going to make a circle right here with a radius of 25 and offset it 4 times with a distance of 5. And then after that, you're going to remove the unnecessary part of the circle that we do not need. And there you have it. Here is our last figure. So these are the 6 figures that we've done in this activity in this video, and I hope you learned something, and see you next time.